Show.
Hello everybody, we're in the kitchen and we are making raw BLTs. That stands for bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes, but no bacon here. We're gonna use eggplant. Dehydrated eggplant, and it looks like bacon. Tastes much better than bacon. It's just eggplants with a whole bunch of spices. And we marinated it and put it in the dehydrator. And then we have our bread. This is our zucchini bread. Again, we made that in a dehydrator. The recipes you can find on rawlifehealthshow.com. And so we're gonna take 2 slices of the bread here. We just made a white sauce for that. You can make different types of sauce for this, so we'll just put the sauce right there. And we'll get some bacon here. And we get our tomatoes. Some lettuce. Bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes. Now we could just stop there. But I like to have avocados. Alrighty, and there's our sandwich. This is a delicious BLT, raw lifestyle. Alright? Look for the recipe at rawlifehealthshow.com and a whole bunch of other recipes there as well. That's my member website. You can check it out for 3 days for just $1. Have a great day and a great raw life. Alright, so here's our meal. Here's our 2 BLT sandwiches. We got this corn salad for the side. We also have this amazing coleslaw. And it all goes together perfectly.
Raw life, brighten up your life.